Computer-aided manufacturing, CAM, is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of computer software to control and automate the manufacturing process. CAM software is used to create a digital model of the product, which is then used to generate instructions for the machines that will produce the product. This technology is used in a variety of industries, including aerospace, automotive, and electronics. CAM software can be used to control a wide range of manufacturing processes, including milling, turning, drilling, and grinding. The software can also be used to control robots and other automated systems, allowing for greater precision and efficiency in the manufacturing process. CAM software can also be used to optimize the use of materials, reducing waste and improving the overall sustainability of the manufacturing process. One of the key benefits of CAM is that it allows for greater flexibility in the manufacturing process. Changes can be made to the digital model of the product, and the CAM software will automatically generate new instructions for the machines. This allows manufacturers to quickly adapt to changes in customer demand or design requirements. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components. The company uses CAM software to control its manufacturing processes, allowing for greater precision and efficiency in the production of its products. By using CAM, Berkness Company is able to quickly adapt to changes in customer demand or design requirements, ensuring that it can meet the needs of its customers in a timely and cost-effective manner. If you are interested in learning more about CAM and how it can benefit your manufacturing operations, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting the Contact Us page on their website. The company's experienced team of professionals can provide you with more information about CAM and how it can be used to improve the efficiency and sustainability of your manufacturing processes. FAQs. 1. What is CAM in manufacturing? CAM stands for Computer-Aided Manufacturing, which is the use of computer software and hardware to control and automate manufacturing processes. CAM systems are used to create instructions for machines such as CNC, computer numerical control, machines, robots, and 3D printers to produce parts and products with high precision and efficiency. 2. What are the benefits of using CAM in manufacturing? The benefits of using CAM in manufacturing include increased productivity, improved accuracy and consistency, reduced waste and errors, faster turnaround times, and the ability to create complex shapes and designs that would be difficult or impossible to produce manually. CAM also allows for greater flexibility in manufacturing, as changes can be made quickly and easily in the software without the need for physical modifications to machines or tools. 3. What are some common CAM software programs used in manufacturing? There are many CAM software programs available for manufacturing, each with its own strengths and features. Some of the most popular CAM software programs include Mastercam, SolidWorks CAM, Fusion 360, and CamWorks. These programs allow users to create toolpaths, simulate machining operations, and generate G-code instructions for CNC machines, among other functions. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.